Do you take vitamins and supplements? Well, there could be some compromising ingredients in there. I'm going to go through 7 toxic ingredients that could be lurking in your supplements. Okay, the first one on my list is called magnesium stearate, or it could say stearic acid, vegetable stearic acid. This is and has never been tested to be safe for long-term human consumption. It is a chemical. It's not magnesium as a supplement, it's magnesium stearate, and they use it as a flow agent to help to speed up production times. So what it does is it actually goes outside. It goes and coats those raw materials, whether that's your herbal medicines, whether that's your vitamins, your minerals, and it helps to speed up the manufacturing process. But because it's coating and going on top of your raw materials, it can hinder the proper absorption of the vitamins that you're taking that are supposed to be good for your health. Plus, for some people, the magnesium stearate can cause some stomach upset, some acid reflux, and for people that are sensitive, it can even cause heart palpitations. So it's something that I definitely want you to check your vitamin labels for to make sure that it doesn't have magnesium stearate. Okay, number 2 on my list of toxic ingredients that could be lurking in your supplements, microcrystalline cellulose. This is basically made from wood chips, and it is a fiber that maybe your stomach isn't so good at dealing with, and your intestinal tract as well. And they use it just to fill up the capsules or to make those hard tablets. Again, a filler, you don't necessarily want to be ingesting this. If you're taking good high quality supplements, they don't use these fillers. They don't need to, because they're putting just good ingredients, hopefully whole food ingredients, into the supplements. Okay, another one to look out for on your vitamin labels is called silicon dioxide. Now, this is something that if you've seen those little desiccant packs when maybe you get a new pair of shoes or you've purchased a bag, or sometimes that little desiccant pack, it says do not eat on it, is actually inside your vitamin pack in your vitamin bottle. Sometimes it's in protein powders as well, silicon dioxide. And it's something that, yeah, in an ingestible form, it is powdered down. They use it as a filler in supplements. It also helps to make things nice and white. As you can see, the color of it is quite white. And now its evil twin, titanium dioxide, and they use it for similar reasons to the silicon dioxide, but this has now been banned in the entire European Union. France got rid of it over 3 years ago. It's something that you really need to be aware of. If you do more research yourself just on this one ingredient alone, you'll see, because of the possible links to cancer when this is actually in your products, can be a very scary thing. Now, you have to look for this in your beauty products as well. It is still allowed here in North America. Of course, Europe did get rid of it. So make sure your vitamins don't contain that titanium dioxide. Another one on my list, so number 5 on my list of toxic ingredients that could be in your supplements, Croscarmellose Sodium. So they use this as a disintegrant, and it can be very harmful, especially if you have compromised digestive tract, if you're celiac. You don't want to be taking and ingesting this toxic ingredient. It can cause eye irritations if you get it in your eyes, and can even cause skin irritations as well. So that's another one to make sure that is not found in your vitamins and supplements. Number 6 on my list is talc. So definitely we know that in the news we've heard about talc, and again, possible link to cancer. This is something that we definitely do not want to be ingesting in our supplements, another toxic ingredient that can be hiding in there if you're not reading your labels carefully. And number 7 on my list of toxic ingredients to really be aware of is potassium sorbate. So they're using this as a preservative. It's often found in liquid formulations, but other formulations as well. Make sure you're not ingesting that potassium sorbate. Now, I want you to check all your vitamin bottles. Have you spotted any of these ingredients in your supplements? I want to know. Please let me know in the comments. I know it's scary stuff. And for more information on some of the side effects of taking vitamins with these ingredients, I want you to check out my video, Scary Side Effects of Dirty Vitamins. I'll see you there.